Are you having problems with not being able to log into your Facebook right now and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because I actually had the exact same problem just a couple of minutes ago and I was able to fix this, and now I'm logged in on my account. So there might be a couple of reasons why you're not able to log into your account. If the reason is that you have forgotten your password or email, for example, well, then you will need to just reset your password. So you need to click where it says forgot your password, and then you can follow the step-by-step instructions after that. Another common reason is that there's some bug that you're just not able to log in even though you know your email and password. What you're going to do is to just close your Facebook app and then go into your App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android, and just search for Facebook in here. So search for Facebook, scroll down, and see if you have this update button in here, because if you do, then just click on it, because you will need to have the latest Facebook update to be able to fix this issue. Because sometimes if you don't have the latest update, you will not be able to log into your Facebook account. Either that maybe if you know your password and email, it will like not work either way basically, because you will still need the new update, unfortunately. So when you do have the new update, you can just go back into your Facebook app and try again. If that still doesn't work, well, then there could be two other issues. For example, that it might be that Facebook is down right now, or your Wi-Fi or your mobile data is not working correctly. What you can do to actually quickly fix the mobile data or Wi-Fi is to scroll down right here until you get to this page, and then click on the airplane mode symbol. So click on the airplane mode, then toggle it off basically after like 5 seconds, and then try again and see if it works, because this should actually re-establish the connection with your, for example, Wi-Fi or mobile data, and make the connection a bit stronger basically. If that still doesn't work, well, then you can just wait a couple of minutes, for maybe it's something wrong with the Facebook servers right now, and then when it's done, you can just log into your Facebook account. So just wait a couple of minutes. So I hope that this tutorial will help you to be able to log back into your Facebook account again.